Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kayi, and in today's video I would like to show you how I make my green detox juice. We're going to need 2 apples, celery, kale, ginger, 1 lime, and a tablespoon of honey. That is just to add a little bit of sweetness to the juice. Let's start. First, we need to wash all our ingredients and cut them into medium or small sizes. So if you're using a blender, for example, you don't have to chop it very small, but in this case I'm using a juicer, so I'm going to cut mine, a little bit like on the medium size. I really want to let you guys know that I truly appreciate all of you supporting my channel, sharing my content, and leaving comments. I love your comments, so keep them coming, please. And if you're new here, you are very welcome. Consider subscribing so you can also get my notifications each time I upload a new video. In my green juice, I love using cucumber because cucumber contains 96% of water, which is so good for hydration. I also added 2 green apples. Green apple is a great source of fiber, very rich in vitamin A and C, and also very good for vision. So that's why I added some green apples. If you're enjoying the video so far, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also feel free to drop the health benefits of all the ingredients I am using to make this juice. Last time I covered the health benefits of kale. If you don't like kale, you can use spinach, so check my previous video out. Lime help promote weight loss, so I want to clear the system, in this case my system, right? So that's why I use it, and I will be making other detox juice, and I will be using lime again with other fruits and vegetables. I love ginger in my smoothies, and I love ginger in my juice. Here are some of the health benefits of ginger. Ginger helps with digestion, fights inflammation, prevents colon cancer, and cure infections. So that's why I love using ginger in my juice, or even in the smoothies. You notice I added ginger last time. I just love the freshness of ginger in my juice, or even when I'm making, my delicious dishes that you need to check out. I love using ginger a lot. Now our juice is ready, and if you don't have a juicer, feel free to use a blender. It's absolutely fine. You're going to obtain the same result. I added 1 tablespoon of honey, but you don't have to. I just want it a little bit sweeter. I have this juice always on an empty stomach, so if you like to try it and have the same result, make sure you have this drink first thing in the morning. It's so refreshing. And this green detox juice, you can have it once or twice a month. If you're new here and you don't want to miss out on my new uploads, kindly subscribe, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with family and friends to help me grow this channel, and keep your comments coming, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Any health benefits that you know of that I haven't mentioned in the video, I would love to learn from you as well. So drop that in the comment section for me, and I will see you very soon in my next one. Take care. Bye for now. Au revoir.